It's okay. It's okay.
He's got her button. Here. It's okay, Kaylee. Don't move. I hurt my on her shoulder. Get him away from her.
Oh,
You're
come on.
just filming him. He's scaring her.
Oh, he's on her now.
Oh, crap. All right, Kaylee, just sit still. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Hurry before he poops on her.
Come on, buddy. Come on. Here.
Oh, get off my child. There we go.
Here.
Now I'm trying. What? I can't see what's going on. Is she okay? I don't want to traumatize her where she'll never come in again.
There we go. I got him.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. You did good, Peanut. Give me 5.